Some phones are just phones. And then there are those rare ones that walk in like a supermodel but hit like a beast. This one, it's got the looks that turn heads, the brains to back it up, and a vibe so ultra that it demands attention. I'm talking about the Vivo T4 Ultra, a phone that's not just smart, it's smooth and speedy. Want to know why everyone's watching this one? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, your tech stop where specs meet spice. और आज हम बात कर रहे हैं about Vivo T4 Ultra and I'm giving you 5 things you absolutely need to know before adding this to your cart. The T4 Ultra rocks a 6.67-inch AMOLED display for sharper and richer visuals. It is also protected by short sensation alpha glass, so no scratches. Vivo is keeping it with Phoenix Gold and Meteor Grey. The phone has got a clean premium design and even comes with an IP64 rating. Coming to what's under the hood. Powering this machine is the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. Now that's some flagship power right there. You also get up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage option. And it runs on Android 15 with Vivo's FunTouch OS 15, which is smooth. Now coming to probably the best thing about this phone, the camera. You have got a triple rear camera setup with a 50 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and the highlight, a 50 megapixel 3x periscope telephoto lens. This phone also offers 100x digital zoom. On the front, there is a 32 megapixel selfie camera, perfect for those golden hour reels. And finally, the battery. The T4 Ultra packs a 5500 mAh battery that's comfortably more than a bunch of flagship phones. It gets 90 watt fast charging. इसका मतलब जब तक आपकी कॉफी ब्रू होगी, ये आधा चार्ज हो चुका होगा. So, there you go. 5 things you now know about the Vivo T4 Ultra. Priced from Rs 37,999, it's hitting Flipkart and stores very soon. Are you Team Phoenix Gold or Meteor Grey? Drop your pick in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.